Good morning, students. Now, today is the same chapter, integration. Integration, there are five methods. First is the substitution method in 7.2 is completed. Second is the trigonometric function in 7.3. Third number is quadratic unit is linear. Then next is 7.4. Right, fourth method, then partial fraction in exercise 7.5. But today, now let's start exercise 7.6. Then integration का last method, integration by parts. So now the students, integration by parts. First thing, what is the by parts? Right, and then use by parts का use हम कब करेंगे? When two different function in product form, then apply by parts. Then two different function, first is u, second is v. Right? When two different function in product form, then apply by parts. So first thing, what is the by parts formula? Then u into v. When u is the first function, v is the second function. So what is the formula of by parts? Then u is the first, v is the second function. First thing, now decide first and second function, or first or second function decide करने के लिए. Then using ILET rule, I-L-A-T-E. What is the ILET rule? Then I, that is the inverse function. Inverse function. And that means logarithmic function. A, algebraic function. T, trigonometric function. Trigonometric function. And E, exponential function. Now look at student, ILET rule के अकॉर्डिंग जो फर्स्ट आएगा उसे आपको फर्स्ट फंक्शन एंड अदर इज सेकंड फंक्शन. ILET rule, I-L-A-T-E. Right? I, that is a inverse function. L is a logarithmic function. A, algebraic function. T, trigonometric function. And D, exponential function. Inverse function, that means sin inverse x, tan inverse x, cos inverse x, sec inverse x. Logarithmic function, that is log x. Algebraic function, then x square, x cube. Right? And trigonometric function, that is a sin, cos, tan, cos, sec, cosec. And now exponential function, that means e raised to power x and a raised to power x. This is exponential function. So ILET rule according to पहला आएगा first, उसको another is second. First thing, what is the by parts? So by parts formula, first function into integration of second function. I repeat, first function into integration of second function minus integration, differentiation of first into integration of second, and then whole integration back in this integration. Now repeat, what is the by parts formula? First function into integration of second function minus integration, differentiation of first into integration of second, and the whole integration. So this is by parts formula. For example, now integration of x into sin x. There are two different functions. X is the algebraic function, sin x is the trigonometric function. Two different function अगर product form में तो उसी condition में आपको by parts apply करना. Same function नहीं होना चाहिए. जैसे sin into cos, right? By parts apply नहीं होगा. Only two different functions that apply by parts. Now two different functions. First is algebraic, sin x is a trigonometric. So which function is first? Then do according ILET rule. Right? Algebraic पहले आ रहा है and trigonometric बाद में. Then algebraic is the first. In x is the first function and sin x is the second one. So first thing is to decide which function is first and which function is second. Right? And now using by parts. So student by parts formula apply करना. Now look here, first function by parts formula apply करो first function into integration of second function minus integration differentiation of first into integration of second and then whole integration this integration. Now repeat, first function into integration of second function minus integration differentiation of first into integration of second and whole integration. So bypass formula applied here, and now to simplify, then x as it is, what is the integration of sine is minus cos x. Minus integration as it is, right? पहले इसको solve करेंगे. What is the integration of x? That is 1. What is the integration of sine is a minus cos. So minus minus is a plus cos. Then now the next step, minus x as it is, cos x as it is, plus as it is, and is only left cos x. What is the integration of cos x? Then sin x plus c. This is answer. After integration, now I can see why, since this is indefinite integration. इसमें आपको याद होगा हम indefinite integration पढ़ रहे हैं. Exercise 7.1 to 7.7 there are indefinite integration. You know indefinite integration, that means without limit. So the first example, pretend x into sin x. Now sir, another example. Now integration of x square into e raised to power 2x. Then again there are two different functions in product form. X square is algebraic, e raised to power 2x is exponential. So according to Euler rule, algebraic is the first and exponential is the second. So now first thing is decide which function is first and which function is second. And now using by parts. Then first function into integration of second function. I repeat, first function into integration of second function minus integration differentiation of first into integration of second, and that is the whole integration, right? And now is simplified. What is the integration of e raised to power 2x? E raised to power 2x integration, that is the e raised to power 2x upon 2 minus integration as it is. Now what is the division of x square? That is 2x. What is the integration of e raised to power 2x upon 2? Apply substitution method, then 2 to cancel. Now look here, then x square as it is, e raised to power 2x upon 2 as it is, minus integration left is the x into e raised to power 2x. Then again two different functions, and again apply by parts. First is x, second is e raised to power 2x. Now using by parts. Then using by parts, so then x square as it is, e raised to power 2x upon 2 as it is. अब स्टूडेंट मैं डायरेक्ट सॉल्व कर रहा हूं. Now apply by parts. First function into integration of second, that e raised to power 2x and e raised to power 2x upon 2 minus integration differentiation of first, differentiation of x 1 into integration of second, then e raised to power 2x upon 2 and then whole integration. Now here x square as it is, e raised to power 2x upon 2 as it is, minus x as it is, e raised to power 2x upon 2 as it is, minus minus plus. Now the left only 1 by 2 is a constant out of integration. And what is the integration of e raised to power 2x? Then e raised to power 2x upon 2 plus, and then e raised to power 2x is common, right? 1 by 4 is common, so e raised to power 2x upon 4 is common. So left x square, 2x square, left 1 by 4 common, e raised to power 2x common, left is a 2x and plus 1 by 4 is common, e raised to power 2x common, left 1 plus 3. This is answer. So students, this is by parts. जब भी दो different function है, right, in product form, then apply by parts. And now okay, this is another example. So integration of by parts, first thing is the decide first and second function, and this first and second function is depend Euler rule. So now here is a when two different functions in product form, then apply by parts. So what is the by parts formula? First function into integration of second minus integration differentiation of first into integration of second. Now here student, it's another example. 1 to 16 क्वेश्चन, कई क्वेश्चन ऐसे हैं जिसमें एक ही क्वेश्चन में 1 and 2 टाइम्स 3 टाइम्स तक बाई पार्ट्स अप्लाई होगा। जब जब दो डिफरेंट फंक्शन प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म में होंगे देन अप्लाई बाई पार्ट्स। सो क्वेश्चन नंबर एक्सरसाइज 7.6 में क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 to 15 राइट, सिंपली आपको बाई पार्ट्स अप्लाई करना है। नाउ लुक हियर, दिस इज अनदर एग्जांपल। नाउ इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ tan इनवर्स x, राइट। स्टूडेंट आज मैं आपको बताना चाहूंगा, अभी तक मैंने आपको कहा था 7.1 to 7.5 में कि इनवर्स फंक्शन और लॉगरिथमिक फंक्शन का कभी भी इंटीग्रेशन नहीं होगा। बट टुडे आज हमने बाई पार्ट्स मेथड पढ़ा, तो मैं आज आपको बताना चाहूंगा कि इनवर्स फंक्शन और लॉगरिथमिक फंक्शन का इंटीग्रेशन इज पॉसिबल but it's only single method by parts. For example, tan inverse x. What is the integration of tan inverse x? Right? So now look here. This is only single function. Now is another function 1. Right? अब 1 is an algebraic. If 1 coming x raised to power 0 is 1. So 1 is algebraic, tan inverse is an inverse trigonometric function. I will prove according tan inverse first and algebraic second. And now using by parts. So student, by parts formula, that is the first function into integration of second function minus integration differentiation of first into integration of second and whole integration. Right? Now look here, tan inverse x as it is. Integration of 1 is x minus integration, what is the differentiation of tan inverse x? That is the 1 upon 1 plus x square into integration of 1 is x. So this is x as it is, first term is as it is, x into tan inverse x. Now minus x upon 1 plus x square. This is division form, then integration is possible. Now is a first method of integration, substitution method. Let 1 plus x square is t. Then division of 1, 0 to division of x square is 2x, dx equals to dt. Then s dx equals to dt upon 2. And now here, x as it is, tan inverse x as it is, minus, then about term x dx is the value dt by 2. 1 by 2 is a constant out of integration, and upon 1 plus x square is t. Then x as it is, tan inverse x as it is. Then 1 by 2 as it is, what is the integration of 1 upon t log t plus c. After integration, substitute the value of t. This is answer. So student, question number 1 to 15 is the only applied by parts. Right? So today आपको by parts apply करना है. So please solve exercise 7.6 and any problem from 7.1 to 7.6, please contact my WhatsApp number. Thank you.